All right, this is my electric car, gem car I need to get rid of. This is my broken Silverado. I got to pull out the fuel injectors, put new ones in, new fuel injector harnesses and such. But Sprinter Kelly is a major undertaking. So Mercedes-Benz got this plastic kind of a wall instead of plywood. Probably this is more bendable to go with the shape, but you can see all the bumps on this side. Really dirtied up the plumbing company that owned this van. But if you don't have all the plastic buttons in place to hold it, or I see some metal rivet nuts, the plumbing company, I think, well, it's not, I think they did have shelves in here, and that's what they probably did, rivet driver nut to put brackets and so forth. But from the factory Mercedes-Benz, let me show you these plastic things here. Let me see if I can find one of those. And having the right tool makes a world of difference. So here's plastic things, pretty common on all vehicles using these, where there's a hole, then this expands out and pushes in. It's got threads on it. So there were two of those metal rivet nuts, so I had to cut around it. Those are in there. Can't remove it once it's in, because it's like a rivet. Drill a hole first, then they push it in, and the back side opens up to catch the metal. So I got everything removed, I hope, and gonna take this out. I'm gonna save these, use as a template, because I'm gonna put up 1/4-inch plywood. So there's what it looks like behind these things, clean. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be anal. I'm gonna paint using Rust-Oleum oil-based paint to give it another coat all throughout. Those things there, as I understand it, that's a sound deafening type of thing. It just seems like some sort of stick-on plastic things, but I guess it helped. But we are gonna really soundproof and weatherproof this fan using Reflectix and wool. Wool's supposed to be really good stuff. Some people use 3M Thinsulate, but I gotta also get in these holes, these bars, to insulate in there as well, because that's a hot air pocket. So I've seen some people use fish tape. We'll figure it out. So what a mess, right? It's progress. Cheers.